Hi, my name is Andrew. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for February 2026. Let's start by looking at a few highlights from this month's release. This update fixes an issue where the password icon might not appear as a sign-in option on the lock screen. This update addresses an issue where Narrator might not start after installing Windows from an ISO file. And to help ensure that only authorized Windows users can access system files, Windows now displays a user account control prompt when you open storage settings. There are some exciting items that will roll out gradually starting with this month's update. We are improving the MIDI experience on Windows 11 with enhanced support for MIDI 1.0 and MIDI 2.0. And we've enhanced cross-device resume, so it's now easier to continue your activities from your Android phone on your PC based on the apps and services you use, including resuming Spotify playback or continuing a browsing session. Now, on to our Windows 11 tip of the month. If you need quick access to common settings, tools, and notifications, take a look at the system tray in Windows 11. Since Windows 11 was released, we've made improvements that make the system tray more functional, privacy-conscious, and user-friendly than ever before. For enhanced privacy awareness, icons now appear in the system tray, indicating when the microphone or location services are in use. Click the Network, Volume, Battery area to open the Quick Settings panel. There you'll find toggles for common settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and accessibility, as well as audio and brightness controls. The Quick Settings panel features a scrollable layout so you can see and modify more settings quickly. If you want to reorganize the order of the icons, simply drag and drop, moving your most frequently used actions to the top for easy access. When media is playing, a built-in media control panel appears within Quick Settings, so you can easily pause, play, or skip tracks. When the Quick Settings panel is not visible, you can still quickly change the volume using just your mouse. Hover over the volume icon in the system tray and scroll up or down to increase or decrease the volume. If you are a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can access Quick Settings by using the shortcut Windows key plus A. And if you want to customize which icons appear in the system tray, you can make the experience your own by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Taskbar Settings. Before we wrap up, when you click on the clock and calendar area of the system tray, you'll see a stacked layout featuring the notification center and calendar. We improved this experience last year for those using multiple monitors. Now, when you click on the clock and calendar area, it opens the notification center and calendar on the monitor currently in focus. Finally, don't forget you can quickly schedule a focus session or change your notification status to Do Not Disturb by clicking on the clock and calendar area of the system tray. Tune out distractions and focus on what you need to get done. For more details on how to customize the taskbar and system tray in Windows 11, visit aka.ms/Windows11/taskbar. I hope you enjoyed this month's tip. Are there Windows 11 features that you'd like to know more about? Send us your feedback via this month's release notes page or leave a comment on the video on YouTube. You can find many more great tips on our Windows Community YouTube page at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.